Welcome to my channel. Hello fellas, welcome. My name is V. Today, let's learn alphabet, shall we? Seriously, V? We have already learned about parts of speech and everything. And suddenly we go back again to the basic level? Yeah, I'm serious. Because I have taught Indonesian privately to an Indian at the time. It was really hard for him to pronounce Indonesian letters. That's why I'm thinking maybe it also will be hard for you guys. That's why I came up with this video. Anyway guys, you also can contact me on WhatsApp if you wanted to study privately with me. I'll be your partner speaking for practicing Indonesian. Check the description below. Okay, let's get started and repeat it after, alright? A. A. Open your mouth widely. A. Yeah. A. That's good? Mm-hmm. A. Yes. B. B. You need to use A sound. A. B. B. Yeah. B. That's close. Again. B. B. Alright. J. J. Remember A sound? A. J. Yeah. J. J. Okay. Yeah, that's good. D. D. Still A sound here. D. D. Yeah. Yeah. D. Mm-hmm. That's good. A. A. This is the letter of A sound. A. A. Yeah. Yep. Although sometimes in the phonology, this letter also can pronounce as A, A, A. A, A, A. Yeah, that's three of it. There is three of pronunciation of this letter, but for the letter itself, it's pronounced A. But it's gonna be different if you say nana. It's not A anymore, it's A. A. It's gonna be different too when you pronounce dekat. It's dekat. It's not A anymore. It's not A anymore. It's A. Yes, that's depends of the word. Well, I don't think you guys need phonology lesson, but I will think about it. F. Easy. K. Again, A sound. K. K. Yeah. Yeah, that's correct. K. Mm-hmm. H. Finally, A sound. H. H. Yeah. H. Good. E. Smile. E. E. You don't have to smile, obviously. You can say that as E. Not fun though. Smile. E. 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 Easy. Another A sound. J. Yeah. J. Mm-hmm. K. K. Remember A sound? A. K. K. Yep. L. Piece of cake. L. Just L. M. Not hard. M. M. N. Well, yeah, some of our letters is similar to English. O, O, effortless, right? O, O, P. Again, you gotta get used to another A sound. P, P, P. I, this time is E sound. I, I. If you can do it, stress in the throat. I. But if you can't do it, you just say key. That's okay. Key, key, or I. That's same actually. Yeah. R. You gotta pronounce it clearly. R, R, R. That's okay. It takes times. R, R. Again. R, 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 R. Yeah, you're doing great. S. Simple. We know, right? T, E sound again. T, T, T. U, U. Yes, you got it. U. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Fe, Fe. Well, yeah, it's A sound. Fe. Mm-hmm. Once more A sound. Way, way. Yeah. Okay, good. X, just like you pronounce it in English. X. Y, the last A sound. Y, Y. Z, I hope it doesn't sound weird. Z, Z. Let's try to sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, folks. The vowel alphabet is A, I, U, E, O. 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 Great! Yeah, you're doing great! Well, I think that's enough for today. It has been fun, but yeah, you can sing it by yourself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, with always full of love regards, V stops chattering.